Why does your scanner show the P0492 engine code? What does it mean? P0492 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system insufficient flow, Bank 2. This error code this means your car's computer has detected that the secondary air injection system, which pumps fresh air into the exhaust on cold, starts to reduce emissions and warm up the catalytic converter faster, is not pushing enough air to the second cylinder bank of the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blown fuse or relay, failed air pump, leaking or disconnected vacuum hoses, defective combination valve, bad pressure sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.